our episode. We're continuing on in the series of Evolve. And for this week, we're going to talk about cutting off the things that are hindering you. Cutting off the things that are hindering you. First, I'm going to go over the definition of evolve again for those of you who missed it last week. To evolve is to undergo change, to develop and progress and advance gradually. If we are attached to a person, a place, a thing, an idea, an environment, a space that is preventing us from moving forward and grabbing hold of what God wants us to be, we cannot evolve until we detach. We have to cut off. Today, we have to cut off. Look at the areas in your own life. Let a man examine himself. We're going to look at areas in our own life, what we need